Imagine a world where India leads the charge in global technology and automotive innovation. That vision is becoming a reality, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently unveiled ambitious plans that could reshape the international landscape. India to export electric vehicles to 100 countries. On a sunny Saturday, PM Modi took the stage at the Economic Times World Leaders Forum to announce a groundbreaking initiative. India, he declared, is set to export electric vehicles (EVs) to 100 countries worldwide. This bold move signals India's commitment to not only reducing carbon emissions, but also establishing itself as a global leader in sustainable transportation. But here's where it gets interesting. PM Modi hinted at a significant event scheduled for Tuesday, August 26th, but kept the details under wraps. A very big program related to this is also being held after 2 days on 26th August. He teased, leaving the audience eager for more information. First, Made in India chip by year-end. In another major announcement, PM Modi revealed that India's first domestically manufactured semiconductor chip will hit the market by the end of the year. This development marks a turning point for India, which previously missed the boat on semiconductor manufacturing opportunities decades ago. Now, the country is making up for lost time with the establishment of semiconductor-related factories. We all know that semiconductor manufacturing could have started in India 50 to 60 years ago, but India missed that too, and the same thing continued for many years to come. Today, we have changed this situation. Semiconductor-related factories have started coming up in India, he explained. And this is the part most people miss. India's rapid advancement in technology is not just about catching up, it's about setting new standards. The first Made in India chip is a testament to the nation's growing technological prowess. India's space achievements. PM Modi also took a moment to highlight India's remarkable progress in the space sector. Over the past 11 years, the country has successfully completed over 60 space missions, with many more on the horizon. One of the highlights of his speech was a special mention of Indian Air Force Group Captain and astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla. There are many missions lined up. This year we have also achieved the capability of space docking. This is a big achievement for our future missions. Now India is preparing to send its astronauts to space through the Gaganyaan mission, and in this, we are going to get a lot of help from the experience of Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, he said. This year, India has not only achieved the capability of space docking, but is also gearing up to send its first astronauts into space. The Gaganyaan mission, with the invaluable expertise of Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, promises to be a monumental step forward for India's space exploration efforts. What do you think about India's ambitious plans? Do you believe these initiatives will solidify India's position as a global tech and automotive powerhouse? Share your thoughts in the comments below.